Hello, welcome back for Survive the Mafioso. The only thing I'm gonna survive here is death itself. This is flashlight. This is also the blackouts area. No, this is the blackout event. Yellow alert. It doesn't. Okay, I'm not even gonna use my flashlight. Radio, do your damn work. This is very scary. Radio. So I'm gonna place off here. Super. Or I can just straight up use a gun and fight back. To fight back at least one day. Hell yeah, he is. Stupid.
Yum, 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 yum.
The pizza. I'm gonna end this in that timer ends.
Pay your debt.
Too damn rain.
I love knocking out teeth.
This is what happens when you get chased by him. So damn dark. He's so scary. And we can only get the first person. That's the scariest. You can block, take a picture of him, turn him into Ash Baby.
Oh, just shut up and rage quit.
Now he moving with them grooving. He's actually moving. I just pronounced that like this. Dang it! This is the best hiding spot. No one see me here. Hello, Mafioso. You're tweaking, aren't you? Hurting me. Oh. Can I shoot you? Nah, it's still in cool down. A pizza?
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum. Before I end this. Damn it! How did I miss? Nigga. I'm gonna kill